Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on your PC via USB. First, grab your PS4 controller and a micro USB cable. It's crucial that this cable supports data transfer, not just charging, otherwise your PC won't recognize the device. Plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Windows should then automatically begin installing the necessary basic drivers, usually taking just a few moments to complete this initial setup. Once connected, it's a good idea to verify that your PC has recognized the controller. Open your device manager, which you can find by searching in the Windows Start menu. Expand the Human Interface Devices section. You should see an entry like Wireless Controller or HID-compliant Game Controller. If you don't see it, try a different USB port or even a different micro USB cable, as some cables are only designed for power and not data transfer. While your PS4 controller might work with some games directly, for the best experience and wider compatibility, I highly recommend using DS4 Windows. This free, open-source software allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which is natively supported by most PC games. Download it from the official website, install it, and then you can customize button mappings, adjust sensitivity, and even change the light bar color to your preference, giving you full control. After setting everything up, it's time to test your controller. Launch your favorite PC game that supports controllers, or use an online controller tester to check all the buttons and analog sticks. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your PC can often resolve minor glitches. If you're using DS4 Windows and still have problems, try reinstalling it. Also, double-check your game settings to ensure controller input is enabled and configured correctly for optimal gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.